how to adjust the camera record video resolution or FPS on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down, then tap on Camera, then tap on Record Video. Next in here, you can choose between 720 pixel HD, that is the lowest, all the way up to 4K. So from the list here, select one of the available options. So if you like to record video in 4K format, you can do so. 4K at 24 FPS. That is a cinematic settings. So you can choose that. That is film style. And after that, tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.